Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues. From boosting the immune system to improving heart health, its benefits are widely recognized. But did you know that aged garlic offers even more potent health benefits compared to raw garlic? Aged garlic undergoes a fermentation-like process that enhances its nutrients while reducing its strong odor and harsh taste. If you're looking to get the most out of garlic, it's time to consider aged garlic extract. Let's explore why this form of garlic is the ultimate superfood for your health. 1. Higher antioxidant power. One of the key reasons aged garlic is superior to fresh garlic is its higher antioxidant content. When garlic undergoes the aging process, its harsh and unstable compounds transform into more bioavailable and powerful antioxidants, such as S-allylcysteine (SAC) and S-allyl-mercaptocysteine (SAMC). These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of cell damage, aging, and chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating aged garlic into your diet, you provide your body with a strong defense system against environmental toxins, pollution, and unhealthy food choices. Additionally, aged garlic has been found to enhance the body's natural detoxification process, helping remove harmful toxins that accumulate over time. Whether consumed in supplement form or as part of your daily meals, aged garlic is a natural powerhouse for long-term health and longevity. 2. Supports heart health and lowers blood pressure. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but aged garlic offers a natural and effective way to support cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that aged garlic extract, AGE, can help lower high blood pressure by relaxing and widening the blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing strain on the heart. Additionally, aged garlic has been found to reduce bad cholesterol (LDL) while increasing good cholesterol (HDL), which prevents plaque buildup in the arteries. This reduces the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. Research also suggests that aged garlic can lower triglyceride levels, further enhancing heart health. Unlike some medications that come with side effects, aged garlic provides these benefits naturally and safely. If you are at risk of hypertension or high cholesterol, making aged garlic a regular part of your diet can be a simple yet powerful step towards maintaining a healthy heart. 3. Enhances immune function. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, aged garlic is an excellent choice. Unlike fresh garlic, which can sometimes be harsh on the stomach, aged garlic is gentler and more easily absorbed, making it an ideal supplement for long-term immune support. Aged garlic contains compounds that enhance the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in fighting off infections and strengthening your body's natural defenses. Research has shown that people who consume aged garlic regularly experience fewer colds, flu, and respiratory infections throughout the year. Additionally, it helps shorten the duration of illnesses by accelerating the body's ability to fight off pathogens more efficiently. Beyond fighting common illnesses, aged garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, helping the body combat harmful pathogens. It also reduces inflammation in the immune system, which is crucial for preventing autoimmune disorders and chronic diseases. Studies suggest that aged garlic extract can modulate immune responses, ensuring that the immune system does not overreact or underperform, which is essential in maintaining overall health. One of the lesser-known benefits of aged garlic is its ability to support gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. A healthy gut microbiome plays a significant role in determining how well your body can defend itself against infections. Aged garlic promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while inhibiting harmful bacteria, ensuring a balanced and resilient digestive system. Additionally, aged garlic has been shown to improve circulation and blood flow, which helps immune cells travel more efficiently throughout the body. This increased circulation allows the immune system to respond faster to potential threats, making it a crucial factor in disease prevention. 4. Reduces inflammation and supports joint health. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, and even cancer. One of the most valuable benefits of aged garlic is its ability to reduce inflammatory markers in the body, lowering pain levels and improving mobility. Studies have found that aged garlic can help reduce reduce joint stiffness, swelling, and discomfort, making it particularly beneficial for those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, or muscle soreness. The S-allyl cysteine SAC compounds in aged garlic act as natural anti-inflammatory agents, helping to block the pathways that trigger excessive inflammation. Additionally, inflammation is one of the primary contributors to aging. By incorporating aged garlic into your diet, you are slowing down the aging process and reducing your risk of developing chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Whether you're an athlete looking to recover faster or someone dealing with joint pain, aged garlic offers natural pain relief and long-term joint health benefits. 5. Supports brain health and cognitive function. Your brain health is just as important as your physical well-being, and aged garlic is a powerful brain booster. Studies suggest that aged garlic extract protects brain cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's. Aged garlic enhances brain function by increasing blood circulation to the brain, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach the brain cells efficiently. It also helps reduce plaque buildup in the brain, which is a key factor in the development of Alzheimer's disease. One of the most significant compounds in aged garlic, S-allyl cysteine SAC, has been shown to improve memory, cognitive function, and mental clarity. Many people who regularly consume aged garlic report better focus, improved learning abilities, and sharper mental recall. Additionally, chronic stress and anxiety can contribute to cognitive decline, but aged garlic contains compounds that help regulate stress hormones and promote relaxation. This makes it beneficial not just for aging individuals, but also for younger adults who want to enhance their cognitive performance and mental well-being. Final thoughts: why you should choose aged garlic. If you want to maximize the health benefits of garlic, aged garlic is the superior choice. Through its high antioxidant content, heart protective properties, immune-boosting effects, anti-inflammatory abilities, and cognitive support, aged garlic stands out as one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Unlike raw garlic, aged garlic is odorless, easier to digest, and has enhanced bioavailability, making it ideal for daily consumption. Whether you take it in supplement form or add it to your meals, aged garlic is a natural way to enhance your overall health, prevent diseases, and promote longevity. 6. Improves gut health and digestion. Unlike raw garlic, which can cause irritation in some individuals, aged garlic is gentle on the digestive system. It contains prebiotics that promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, leading to improved digestion and better nutrient absorption. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, as it influences everything from immune function to mood regulation. If you suffer from bloating, indigestion, or stomach discomfort, aged garlic may be the solution you need. 7. Detoxifies the body and reduces heavy metals. One of the lesser-known benefits of aged garlic is its ability to detoxify the body by removing harmful heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. These toxic metals can accumulate in the body over time, leading to serious health issues. Aged garlic extract contains sulfur compounds that bind to these heavy metals and help eliminate them from the body. Regular consumption of aged garlic can support liver function and aid in natural detoxification. If you're looking for the most effective way to harness the benefits of garlic, aged garlic is the answer. It provides higher antioxidant levels, supports heart and brain health, strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, and promotes detoxification, all while being gentle on the stomach. Whether you take it as a supplement or incorporate it into your meals, aged garlic can greatly enhance your overall health and well-being. So why not make the switch today? Your body will thank you. Would you like me to refine or expand any section?